welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark, and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. Right, today, like I said last week, I'm going to repot this one. I'm going to put it in this pot here. I try to save it, but it doesn't look like it's going to be saved, so I'm going to put that in this pot here. So let's put this one over there for a minute. Get me poking tool out of here. Should have got this out before. There it is. Got a little rake in here as well somewhere. There he is. Pardon me. Right, let's get this out the pot. Not sure. Did nothing. Just bend that off. Bend that off. Oh. Clean that off a minute. Right, I'm going to go and wash this pot out. I'll be right back. Alright, clean that pot up. Oh, let's get on with this. I've never repotted a little forest before, so this is going to be new. I'm going to put my fingers in there. It's got loads of bugs in it. See these little bugs sucking the life out of my tree. So I need to go up the shop. They all look healthy enough. I'm not going to, what do you call it? That'll fit in there lovely. Let's put that there a minute. Right, I'm back. I've got a bit of gauze. That's in there just to cover the holes. As you can see. Right. As per usual. Put a layer of that in the bottom, as you can see. It's only lava rock. Let's see. Bit of akadama. I made this on my 3D printer. I have got a 3D printing channel, so you might have to look for it. Right, let's put these in here. Should I? Shorten them roots a bit. I'm going to shorten them a bit. There they are. Might help it grow a bit, encourage a bit more. They were going around, winding around, just takes them out a bit. I don't want to disturb the top, so that'll do. I'll put it in there like that. Good thing about this scoop is I can put this where I want it. Didn't design it, somebody else designed it, I just printed it off. I made one for my mum as well. I just got to get it to her. Excellent. What we do is poke it in. I think that would do. Got it all over me. And that should invigorate that, make it grow a little bit taller, new growth. I might put some bit of fertiliser on it as well to help. But that poor old ficus, I don't know what happened to it, it's just a bit of good one, didn't it? I tried. Hopefully birds don't try to get this one. They love a bit of fertiliser. Don't know why. But I'm well pleased with that scoop. Really good. Anyway, that's repotting that one. What is it called? I can't remember what it's called. See, it doesn't tell you. It just says outside bonsai. If anybody can let me know what that is, I probably could Google it, but that's to do today. Like, subscribe. YouTube will put something there, and I'll see you again. See you on the next one. Right, bye.